What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting out of the house during this quarantine time and we are going DIY shopping. I typically go to thrift stores because I just love thrift stores. I feel like you find the best finds there, but those are closed currently. So what we are doing today is going to the Dollar Tree, probably Walmart, and maybe Joann's Fabrics if they're actually open. I don't know. But I wanted to share with you a quick thing that I do before I go thrift shopping or DIY shopping. I actually write down a list of projects that I have. Quarantine style projects are a little bit different than typical DIY projects. Quarantine style projects, I actually just pick things that I can use that are around the house so I don't have to really go out and spend a lot of time outside. So I pick all the things that I need, I write them down, organize myself, I put like the cost next to each item and if it's gonna even be worth trying to DIY. And then I go ahead and create a shopping list for myself. So Dollar Tree, these are all the things I need from the Dollar Tree. Down here, Home Depot, Walmart, things like that. So I try to keep myself organized, and then again, during this time, we just don't really want to be out in stores. So I try to just keep everything concise and easy. I am actually picking up my sister today as well. I haven't seen her in a really long time. It feels like forever. So I'm picking her up. She's gonna come with me and we are gonna do a little bit of shopping. I'm happy to be out of the house. I feel a little human. I curled my hair today because this is a special occasion. But anyway, so if you guys are interested in coming shopping with me, just keep on watching. One of the cool things that you guys can find if you're at the Dollar Tree, there's actually a crafter's corner. So this is a really cool space for any like DIY crafting. They have twine here for $1. It's actually 300 feet, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna pick up a couple of these, and then they have these chalkboard clothespins, which are also super cute. So I'm gonna pick up a pack of these as well. To do like a macrame project or embroidery twine or something like that on these. These are intentionally meant for like wreath making, but I think these are gonna be cool. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. Okay, so we just left the Dollar Tree. Look at the lip sweat. Can you see that? From wearing a mask. We're gonna head to the 99-cent store next. These guys would be kind of cool to create a pendant light. Imagine them like flipped upside down with a light hanging in the middle. This right here, this is my section of stuff, garden stuff. So these are a couple of cool things I picked up. I'm gonna make succulent gardens out of them. They're $1.49 each. I picked up quite a few of them. I love them. Okay, so these things, I really like these guys. I'm actually looking for baskets similar to this. I have some shutters that I'm gonna go ahead and like upcycle. The shutters I got for free, and these baskets are only $8 at Big Lots. So I think I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. All right, everybody, so just a little update. We are not going to go to Walmart today, and we are not going to go to Home Depot today. I did hear that Hobby Lobby is open, so that is why we are cutting those 2 stores out today, and we're just gonna go to Hobby Lobby. We're now at Hobby Lobby. We have gone to 10 million stores? We've gone to 10 million freaking stores. A lot of places don't have like everything that we need, and it's just been a day, but I have been checking off my list of things that we need. Hobby Lobby is actually open. I didn't think that they were going going to be. There is a line to get in, but we're going to wait in line to get in and hope that this is the very last door. This is gonna be the last door. I'm tapping for the day. There's no more line. There's no more line. You can just walk right in. Take it. Okay, listen. If you know me, you know that I'm a sucker for the flower section, succulent section, anything green section. Thank God I have my sister here because she keeps like, no, we don't need it. We don't need it. You don't need it. Exact same wreath, guys, that we got at the dollar store were $1. This is what, $4? How much is this? $3. So definitely hit up the dollar store before you hit up anything like this, like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. So these I'm actually super excited about. So we did buy the round and square things from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to put yarn around these guys. I'm going to do a set of 3. Think of these. And the ones from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to do something similar, but I'm super excited to find these. And then the yarn beads, I'm also going to buy yarn beads to kind of add to the project, or to add to like a driftwood project or something like that. So, super excited. So many cute, like little knobs. They're all detailed and like intricate. I love this. I actually have a collection of really fun knobs that I got from World Market that I've just been holding on to for like a certain project. But come over here, these are really cool. These are kind of like the knobs that I got from World Market. These ones, when I collected, I think I might have this one. There's like all kinds of different ones. Ooh, this one's super cool. I love this section. This section is like one of like my favorite sections. Okay, so we survived all of the store shopping. It actually took a lot longer than I thought it was going to, just because of lines and, you know, all the things that are going on right now. But I will show you what I got. I will do a little store haul for you guys when I get home. So super exciting. I actually got a lot of really, really cool stuff for probably about 10 projects or so.